In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the same look and all the character of Shiplap, but at a fraction of the cost. I did my entire bathroom for all materials I spent under $100. I'm also going to give you some tips along the way to help make it an easy job. So if you like this video and you want to see more like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. For this project, I ripped 4x8 sheets of 1/8 inch plywood into 7 3/4 inch strips. Find and mark your studs. This will be your nailing line. You can do this with a stud finder and find your first one, and then for most homes you can measure over every 16 inches to find the rest. If you don't have a stud finder, find an outlet or light switch. The boxes are nailed into studs. Attach the strips to your wall with all-purpose glue like wood glue or liquid nails, and then nail them with 2-inch brad nails. Start at the top and make sure your first piece is level. I use 1/8 inch tile spacers to space the boards. You can also use a couple of coins taped together. To cut out round holes, square up the edges and transfer that point onto your board. Measure to find the top and bottom, and use something similar in size to help mark the circle. When I'm less than 5.5 inches from the floor, I'll use scrap pieces to hold out my baseboard. Remove any of the screws you've used after the glue is dried, and then you can begin filling your holes. When everything's sanded, it's ready to prime. The last thing you'll need to do before it's ready to paint is to caulk. You'll want to caulk all of the corners and along all of the trim. The caulk pushes into the gap, so you'll need to remove it to avoid a sloppy looking paint job. I use a utility knife and it pulls out and cleans up pretty easily. Now if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. And you can comment below if you have any tips or suggestions that could help somebody out with this project. And thanks for watching.